Would you like to have your own online store like Shopify for just 5,000 naira a year? Whether you sell fashion items, electronics, skincare products, handmade craft, one-of-a-kind vintage products, or imported goods, Marketstro is the perfect platform for you. Here is how Marketstro works. You register on the Marketstro platform. This takes less than a minute. Then you're directed to your store back office. On your dashboard, you choose one of the Marketstro packages. Then you fill in a few more details like your business description, your contact details, upload your product, pictures or videos, and write the description. And you can view your storefront immediately. Share the links to your potential customers, family, and friends. It's almost like Shopify. You are absolutely going to love it. Once you're done with this simple process, that's it. Leave the rest to Marketstro. Once you've fed Marketstro information it needs to do your marketing for you, Marketstro will send quality traffic to your store from top social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and even Google. Now, that's not even the best of Marketstro. Here's what Marketstro is special for. When you get any of our premium packages, Marketstro takes away all the stress from you by handling your social media posting, helping you run your ads, write content for your products, promote your product on all our social media platforms, give you access to international payments and delivery. All you have to do is respond to inquiries and turn them into customers. We do this so that you can have more free time to do things that you love. But how is this possible? Automation. Everything is automated for you. Content, engagement, and selling. See it as a distribution network where you are connected with your ideal customers. Marketstro show your best products to people who are already looking for your product or service. Marketstro generates massive traffic from all social media platforms. So wherever your ideal customers are, Marketstro finds and brings them to your storefront using pinpoint targeting. And remember, you're not running the ads. And no matter what physical products you sell, hair, clothes, beauty products, food, electronics, or something else, your customers are somewhere on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. And what Marketstro does for you is find your customers using high-ranking keywords and hashtags, get the attention of your customers, and then it takes them from their most active social media platform straight to your storefront on the Marketstro platform. That may sound crazy, but that's actually how it works. It took a lot of work to build, but it was worth it. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to learn more about all the amazing benefits of joining Marketstro.